Sorry guys, my brother's complaining. I'm sorry.
Eastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Thompson Station, or 10 miles south of Franklin, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Brentwood, Spring Hill, Normansville, Thompson Station, and Truman.
Okay, that's it.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.